Very welcome, everybody. I'm here to, after this magnificent introduction, to just set up the rules for today. We're going to have 9 very nice lectures. I sometimes start these symposiums by talking a bit about the achievements of Per-Olof, but Charlotte just made such an excellent presentation. I think I can skip that. And most of you already know what his achievements are. Charlotte talked about this deed that donated money. Here it is, actually, from 1983. They set apart at that time something that amounts to about $10,000 today. It's worth millions today, and every year they're donating back to us about 100,000 Swedish kroners that we're going to spend. So this has been in place since 1982. And if you're a quantum chemist or a theoretical chemist, you will actually recognize some of these people who were awarded this honor. Let me just say it. It's an honor. It's not a prize. It's an honor. I think there are many faces here you recognize. At least I do. But I'm starting to get old. Now, to this family, and the last one you see down here is our first lecturer, who couldn't make it last time, but she's coming this time around, so we have 3 lived-in lectures. The family has been extended, and we have 2 new members that we would like to honor. One is Heather Kulik, who has been here before on my invitation on one of these events. It tends to be like that somebody comes here very, very early on because we're interested in, and eventually 2, 4, or 6 years later, they are so prominent that we kindly invite them to become a lived-in lecturer. Joe, on the other hand, has never been here before. It's a pleasure to have you here. You're moving around a bit. Are you going to stay in Princeton now for a while? Okay. The schedule is as fossil as today. We have subdivided it into 3 different sessions. 1 now until lunch, and 2 of them in the afternoon. And we're going to have 3 lectures as each of them. Unfortunately, we have a cancellation. The second last lecture, the one that was supposed to be by Nana List, she called in yesterday. She is bedridden with fever and can't make it. I have contacted Amber Mace, who is a theoretical chemist who do battery technology. There's a lot of that here at the university. And she will graciously replace her this afternoon. She has teaching obligations right now, so she couldn't come. To guide us through the day, I have 3 prominent session chairs. So we're going to start out with Esther, who's going to be hosting us until lunch. And after lunch, Philip, who's going to kick in. And for the late afternoon, Henrik. We're very glad to have you here. So with that, I don't think I should spend much more of your time. It's time to start with Clemence. And I hand this over to Esther to take care of this. Thank you very much.